Welcome to 5-minute solution. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can change page orientation in Google Docs. For that you have to open your browser and open a Google document. So you can go to docs.google.com for opening a Google document. So for changing page orientation, you have to click on format, then you have to click on page orientation. Here you will find the option. So you will have like two options, whole document and selected content. If you press on selected content, then you can like select a specific page to be oriented in a type like portrait or landscape. So I'm gonna change the orientation of the whole document. So let's click on whole document and I'm gonna change it to landscape. So click on landscape and click on OK. As you can see, the orientation has become landscape. So this is how you can change orientation of a document or a page in Google Docs. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.